Love the sea? Love the sea? Did you love the sea? Oh, it's okay, chirping bird. Thank you so much for watching. See you to my next live stream. It's okay. Good evening, guys. Happy Saturday afternoon. Happy Saturday afternoon. Oh, you are sleepy? Are you sleepy? Go to your sleep. Go sleep, chirping bird. But in my country now it's already afternoon. RB Luzada, hello. Paulo Antonio, hello. Magandang hapon sa iyo, RB Luzada. Amigos, hola amigo. Hola amigo. Hola amigo. Thank you so much guys for watching. Nicho Fiber, hello. So please, hello. Bavet, Bavet Shitty. Are you red light? Red light? No, I'm not red light. I'm not red light, but I'm not using the red light. What red light? Oh, thank you so much, Paulo Antonio. Paulo Antonio. Archie Sali. Oh, you're from Bicol. Archie Salin, hi. Greeting from Bicol. Oh, saan ka sa Bicol? Yung hipag ko Bicol. Kilay? Oo. Kilay ko. Hindi ako nag-eyebrow. Very natural my eyebrow. Kilay. Makapal yan. Dito pa yan. Sa lubong yan dito, oh. Hindi lang ano. Pero pag makita mo sa ano yan, sa lubong yan dito, oh, makapal yan. Sa lubong yan dito, hanggang diyan. Yun. Sa lubong yan, sa lubong. Tunay ang ating kilay, Archie, Salim. 007. My eyebrow is real. Si Archie ng Bicol. Tunay yan, tunay. Note is kokada. Oh, is that a gumamay? Oh, it's a gumamay flowers. Thank you for the gumamela flowers, Paulo Antonio. Paulo Antonio, but your name is Filipino? Paulo Antonio, your name is Filipino, but you're talking the Espanol. Natin. See, look at my eyebrow. Kapal yan, hanggang dito yan. Sa lubong yan. Minsan inaano ko rito kasi sa lubong. Sabi nila matindi pag nagalit to. Kapag sa lubong ang kilay. 2 ba yun?